Fidelity, a major financial service firm, has announced that it's opening up Bitcoin and Ethereum trading for its retail customers. The move comes at a time when major banks and financial institutions are experiencing a crisis related to cryptocurrency investments. I ain't trusting the banks. The banks take your money, they spend your money, and they invest your money. But back to it. Fidelity has been a pioneer, old school, OG dog in the trading space, launching its new Bitcoin and Ethereum funds for institutional investors. Now, the new offering will be available through Fidelity Digital Assets, which is the firm's digital asset division. Now, the move by Fidelity is a significant step towards the mainstream adoption of cryptocurrency, and is likely to increase the interest and investments in the space. And you ain't got cryptocurrency yet? You still playing games? You still waiting? What you waiting on? Don't be late for the game, baby. Now, Fidelity's move may also encourage other financial services firms to enter into the cryptocurrency market. Now, however, it is important to remember that cryptocurrency investments are still highly speculative. Okay, it's an up and down thing, and it comes with significant risks, high risk. And just for that, I am not no financial advisor, just the money coach, let you know what's going on. I'm an entertainer, baby. Now, investors should do their own research and make sure you seek a financial advisor before doing any major cryptocurrency or regular investments. As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve, it is likely that we'll see a move in the mainstream financial institutions getting involved into this crypto space. Now, if you want to get into the crypto space, I got some links for you below with crypto.com. I'm rocking with them. Best believe I'm going to be there when cryptocurrency take off. I ain't going to be late for the game. I'm going to be there trying to get that Bitcoin up. So if you like any of this content, if it was educational, motivational, entertainment, whatever it was, hit the like button, subscribe. I'm up out of here, Money Coach.
Hey. They been on it, drum on the rail. I wrap it, I bag it, I pack it for sale. Got feeling on speed out of here.